What up? I'm going to show you a tutorial today on how to make an Atlantis lockdown with a sound that actually locks the doors, but to a delay. So the first door will close and then a second later the next door will close, so it actually looks like it's locking down, not just all the doors at the same time. And then an override after. So, I've already got my console, my doors. Each of my doors I've just put one button on it, just to show that they're locked after the codes worked. So if I open all of those up. Now the first thing we're going to need is delay switches. So if I go to wire, gates, under time, delay, and if I use that one, so delay, 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 delay. Then I need to do a memory trigger for the lockdown. So I'll use the edge trigger toggle. Let's go a little bit smaller so I know which one's which. Then I'm going to get an arithmetic add, because I might want to use one button in this room, one button in a control room or a lab. So let's use that one. What else do we need? A timer, so constant value. So this is how many seconds we want. So we've got 4 doors. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1 second that door will close. When it's 2, the second one, so on and so on. Constant value. Let's just shove that in the middle. We also need another one. This one we just need with 2. We need a 1, oops, and a 0. And that will be door locked, door unlocked. And we'll need a button. So I'm going to use that one, toggle it, shove that there. Now we need to wire it. So I do all my delays first, so that way, because for me that's probably the most complicated bit, is making sure that all the seconds are in the right place. Four. Then on click we want to add it to the arithmetic, and that's the best bit with the delays, is that you can just link everything together after. Now on the add, this is where we want our button to do something. So when we push the button, it then sends it out to the rest of them. Okay, so now we're going to set up our trigger. So on the delay, activate on that. And on these ones, the constant value of 1 being lock, 0 being unlock. And then we need to tell the doors to link with the wires. So lockdown, the output of the trigger, lockdown, trigger, lockdown, trigger, lockdown, trigger. And let's find a sound. So if I open up that one, SGA lockdown. That'll do. Send to emitter. We'll just throw that there. And we want this to play when the button is pushed, so toggle A to the arithmetic add. So once the button is pushed, it will automatically play the alarm and hopefully close the doors if I've done this right. So, here we go. So if we go over to the doors, oops, locked. That one didn't work. Okay, don't know why that didn't work. That one has, and that one hasn't. Okay, so what did I do wrong? Okay, I think sometimes it does matter which way around you put these. So let's do off as 1 and on as 0. Okay, let's try that again. Locked. There we go. Sometimes it is just about making sure that you've put the 1 and the 0 the right way round, otherwise it won't work. In my next tutorial I'll be showing you how to do a after lockdown's ended, open all doors again with a time sequence. Peace out.